Harvard Medical School's Clinical Science Scholars Program at Semmelweis University was established to offer a distinctive postgraduate training program for dedicated and motivated participants. By the end of the program, participants can be confident in designing and performing clinical research, analyzing and interpreting research data, as well as master the know-how of successful grant proposals and leading clinical teams.
The structures of workshops was amazing. We had one symposium in Budapest, one online and one in Boston.
Harvard Medical School's Clinical Scholars Research Training Program offers participants the opportunity to build their skill sets and earn a certificate upon completion of their studies.
I think it's a huge deal that world's leading scientists were giving us lectures. On small group sessions, we even had the chance to actually get to know them and work on workshop topics with their guidance.
In addition to exciting presentations, it was also an important experience for me that I could meet a lot of like-minded professionals. It had a great atmosphere, and these connections will mean a lot in the future, both personally and professionally.
Harvard is the world's best-known institution of higher education, while Semmelweis University is the largest healthcare provider in Hungary and the region, and a leader in its field of medicine and health sciences. Our joint program is also an excellent opportunity for networking and cross-border partnerships, which have become essential in the field of science. Our program equips young professionals with the essential knowledge and robust foundations they need for their future careers. Don't miss it. Join the program.